Good afternoon, tutoring classmate. This is my activity individual part, talking about activities and plans. My name is Camila Andres Galvis Hernandez. What are your plans for the weekend? On Saturday, I must job all day. On Saturday night, I usually go to eat at a restaurant near my job. On Sunday, I relax all day, watch movies and buy food. You can see two pictures of me in a restaurant and buy food in my home. What is my job? My job is a salesperson for a store selling everything about babies, the store called Angel Kicks. What sports I practice? I practice many sports such as soccer, basketball, cycling, and I like to go to the gym every day. I do my sport routine. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to Japan, get to know other cultures, discover new food, other religions, and learn the language. And thank you.